Once upon a time, in the heart of ancient China, thrived a trio of monks within the serene walls of a monastery. Their camaraderie was as legendary as their virtue, making them revered icons of their society. The monastery they called home became a magnet for visitors and a source of inspiration for all who entered. Children held them in adoration, and the sick sought their benevolent care. Yet, as time wove its intricate tapestry, the harmony within the monastery began to unravel. Discordant notes of disagreement filled the air, and these once inseparable friends grew distant. Their division became a topic of concern, even drawing the attention of fellow monks from neighboring monasteries who attempted reconciliation, to no avail. Their meals, once shared in joyous togetherness, were now solitary affairs. Each monk seemed to have become a recluse unto themselves. The flow of visitors dwindled, and the monastery's financial prosperity waned. The people ceased bringing their ailing loved ones for the monk's healing touch. A veil of sadness descended upon their lives, casting a shadow over their once bright existence. In the same village, there dwelled a wise old man, known for his astute counsel and unwavering wisdom. He had earned the trust of the villagers as the go-to source for solutions to their problems. People would queue for hours, patiently waiting for the privilege of seeking his guidance. Meanwhile, in the struggling monastery, one day, one of the monks broke the silence that had enveloped them. "Have you noticed," he remarked, "how people go to the wise man and return with happiness in their hearts? Why don't we seek his counsel as well? If he can mend the troubles of the villagers, he can mend ours too." The suggestion found unanimous approval, and a day was set aside to visit the wise man. They humbly approached him, their grievances spilling forth in a torrent of accusations. They vied with each other to paint the most vivid picture of their disagreements before him. After a full day of listening patiently, the wise man finally spoke. His words were a soothing balm for their troubled souls, offering sage advice that quelled the flames of discord. As the evening descended, he allowed them to depart, back to their monastery, with newfound wisdom to guide them. But before they left, he summoned each monk separately and whispered a profound secret in their ears, a secret known only to them. With the wisdom of the wise man echoing in their hearts, the monks' attitudes toward each other underwent a remarkable transformation. Respect flourished, their work flourished, and the once deserted monastery once again welcomed visitors and patients. During mealtimes, they competed in acts of kindness, each striving to serve and delight the others. Their harmonious transformation surprised and inspired all who came to visit. Many years passed, and as their financial situation improved, one of the monks passed away. Grief gripped their hearts, and they mourned deeply. After the funeral, the two remaining monks recommitted themselves to the monastery, their bond stronger than ever. One day, as they shared a meal, one of them posed a question that had long lingered beneath the surface. "Tell me," he asked, "are you the saint?" The other monk, equally surprised, inquired why he would think so. "I thought it was you," his companion responded, "because the wise man once told me that one of us is a saint. Knowing it wasn't me, it must be one of us." To this, the other monk confessed that he too was not the saint they had hoped to identify. Dear viewers, did the wisdom of the old man indeed resolve the monk's troubles? And who, if anyone, is the saint among them? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more inspiring stories like this one. If you're curious about the 3 secrets of life, watch the video on the screen now. See you in the next video.